Breathing. Okay, another one. Ulit. Sige. Ayun. Yun. Tandahan lang. Yun. Okay. Oh. Yun na. Ayun. Okay. Hammer down. Oh, in the table. Okay. Align. Breathing. Yung weak hand natin dapat nakagrip maayo ha. Weak hand nakagrip. Okay. Ayun. Okay. Okay na. Okay na yan. Insert magazine.
Nasaan na, sir?
Oo. Hindi. Sige lang. Insert mo lang muna. Back. Okay. Okay. Insert magazine. Okay. Load. Yon. Okay. Fire when you're ready. Up. Breathing. Relax ha. Ay, isipin mo na train ka. Oriented ka. Yung ginaturo sa'yo. 3 yan. Ha. Breathing. Okay. Relax. Breathing. Balik sa chest ang baril. Ha. Relax. Yun. Okay, fire when you're ready. Ganun lang. Good. So far, so good. Alpha. Okay, balik sa chest. Breathing. Ha. Alpha again. One more. Last ammunition. Align. Okay, if you finish, unload. Unload magazine. Unload. Bulsa. Shoe clear. Trigger finger off. Hammer down. Bulsa. Yun. So may violation ka doon ha. Pag release mo, naka-trigger finger in ka ha. So always trigger finger off. Okay? Oh, so para check mo yung tama mo. Oh, yan, no? Alpha, oh. So that is a 5 meters. So pag insakto ang orient sa iyo, mag-alpha ka talaga, no? So par grouping talaga yan, no? No? Recorded. Okay, inserted magazine. Loaded. Yeah, that is it gun in condition 1, okay. Chest muna. Fire when you're ready. Breathing. Align. Control sa trigger natin. Huwag patagalin ang pag-aiming. Pag mag-align, din dandahan na tayo. Breathing, align, din dandahan putok, okay? Sige lang, tuloy na. Okay, breathing. Huwag ka na magkasa. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Okay, release block and chest. Ayun, if you finish, unload. Okay, make ready. Inserted magazine, loaded. Ganun pa rin ha. Pagtapos ng putok, tuk-tuk, chin smog. Bunot ng magazine, dito ka na mag-insert ng magazine. Stance natin, palaging combat shooting ng yung stance natin ha. Okay. Are you ready? Stand by. Up. Line. Good. Super. Okay, approach. Another 2. 2. Chin smog. Takbo. Yun. Bunot. Plaster ang paa. Insert magazine. Focus. Hand grip. Proper hand grip breathing. Okay, one more. Good. Yun. One more. Breathing. Oh. Align. Front side. Okay. If you finish, unload. Shoe clear. Okay, hammer down. Bulsa. Okay, range is clear. Oh, di ba? Inserted magazine. Loaded. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Stand by. Up. Okay. Okay ka sa? Okay, release magazine. Release magazine muna. Sige lang, relax naman. Relax lang. Okay. Yun, may load na yun. May load na yun. Front sight. Kuhan ka. Front sight talaga. Breathing. Front sight. Di ba natamaan? Sige lang. Breathing. Gun proper handling. Sige lang, tamaan mo dapat. Isipin mo alpha. Align. Front sight. One more. One more. Sige lang. Okay, nakahiting right ka. Okay, release magazine. Okay lang kami. Okay, pipinis. Okay. Bulsa. Bulsa, bulsa. Oh, saka ka mag-ikot. Yan. Okay, mga trigger finger up ha. Tapos yung, yun. Yun. Okay. Yan. Tudlo kanina. Yan, yan ang proper. Okay, oo, may clearance, oh. Dapat walang vacuum yan. Sirado. Okay. Okay, ang stand mo, yung di ka agad na siya. Yan, dinistrip na din lang. Okay.
Magkusgap ang ano mo, Pen? Punggi gida.
Okay. Rest muna.
Para na, nasanay ka mo.
Ganyan ka muna.
Hindi na.
Nasanay ka mo.
Sige.
Tadlo nga tong isa mo kakamot.
Kabantay ka ba yung forward, forward. Yan. Sige. Breathing, breathing. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan ha. Sige. Ilan. Okay, chest, balik sa chest. Dibdib. Yan. Breathing. Yan. Trigger finger off. Okay. Breathing. Okay. Fire when you're ready. Hindi, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Basta nakaputok, tuloy-tuloy ka. Isa lang tayo magkasa, okay? Okay. Breathing. Alignment, front sight. Magandang tama. Align. Align. Then breathing. Yun, okay. Trigger finger off. Chest na naman, balik sa chest. Trigger, finger. Tapos ng putok, alis ka agad ang trigger finger. Okay? And when you're ready, another one. Good. Okay, breathing. Okay, you finish. Release magazine. Release magazine. Okay, one more. Breathing. Align lang. Yan. Diba? Front side. Align mo lang front side. Okay. Madali. Naka-hitting down ka. Ginabigla mo. Balik ka naman align. Front side. Balik ka sa front side. Then align. Dandahan lang kalapit. Hitting down ka. Release mo kasi. Load. Okay, hammer down. Bulsa. Air map. Air map. Pasok mo air map. Okay. Insert magazine. Okay. Load. Yun. Okay. Fire when you're ready. Up. Breathing. Relax ha. Ay, isipin mo na train ka. Oriented ka. Yung ginuturo sa'yo. Tatlo yan. Breathing. Okay. Relax. Breathing. Balik sa chest ang baril. Relax. Good. Okay, fire with you. Ganun lang. Good. So far, so good. Alpha. Okay, balik sa chest. Breathing.
Dito ko lang.
Alpha again. One more. Last combination. Align. Okay, if you finish, unload. Unload magazine. Unload. Bulsa. You clear. Trigger finger off. Hammer down. Bulsa. Yun. So may violation ka doon ha. Pag release mo, naka-trigger finger in ka ha. So always trigger finger off, okay? So para check mo yung tama mo. Alpha. So wala tayo sa 5 meters. So pag insakto ang orient sa iyo, maka-alpha ka talaga, no? So par grouping talaga yan, no? No? Recorded. So papicture mo yung first born ni ma'am.
Dito ka, picture. Hindi na.
Okay, inserted ba kasi loaded? Okay. Down. Doon, isa lang kamot. Yan. Ito lang, baba. Yan, yan. Are you ready? Response ka. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, stand by. Up. Fire when you're ready. Yung paa mo, stance, dapat shooter stance pa rin. Breathing. Align. Then, kunin ang slack. Then, dandan. Okay, hitting down. Kunin yung slack. Breathing, kunin yung slack. Then, dandahan lang. Hinahinay lang siya. Okay. Ganun pa rin. Yan. Okay. One more. Okay. Ito pa na yung unload. Unload magasin. Okay. Kalabit. Hammer down. Bulsa. Okay, range is clear. So, umukusin na magambar ko range is clear o pwede na makapalapit ng konti dito. Okay, ang baril mo na bulsa mo na. Tandaan mo ito kanina ha. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready,
Stand
sir.
by! Up! Takbo, takbo. Sus, mag. Takbo. Dito ka na magbutang sa magasin mo. Nan, okay. I-check magasin. Pak, tuloy. Proper hand grip. Gripping. Okay, nice one. Dead center. Baba ang tama. Dead center. Oh, baba pa rin yung slack mo. Okay, finish. Sige, one more pa, one more. Okay, hitting down. Unload. Shift gear. Hammer down. Oh, bulsa. Okay, range is clear. One plate up. Two up plate. Okay, hitting down. Sa baba ang tama mo. Dead center. Center ka. Oh, hitting down pa rin. Malakas ang kalabit mo. Hinahinay lang. Kunin mo muna yung slack. Kunin mo yung slack. Yan. Align. Tandahan na. Kaya mo na siya magpatong lang. Okay, di ba? Kunin mo muna yung slack. So, studyuhan mo. Okay? Kunin mo yung slack. Kasi kung di mo kunin yung slack, wala. Grabe ang placing ka lang. Yung tama mo pa rin. Okay? Buta. Good.
Like a lonely man, we don't need you, not like everyone. Dance, please when I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy.
Siya lang kamot. Ito lang, baba. Yan. Are you ready? Response ka. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, stand by. Up. Fire when you're ready. Yung paa mo, stance, dapat sutin. Align. Then, kunin mo slap. Magandaan. Wait mo down. Kunin mo slap. Okay, kunin mo slap. Magandaan. Kunin mo slap. Okay, wait, this player. So, umukot na magamat.